Sa turismo po, naayos natin ang dangal ng Pilipino. Sa Senado po, pagboto nyo, automated election po ang masatagpuan nyo. Tayo po ang may likha niyan. At ganoon na rin po ang humanitarian law. At ganoon rin po ang turismo. Kaya kailangan po ngayon, the world would always step aside to let any man pass who knows where he's going. This country will know and must know where it's going.
First. Hanggang kailan ka pa sa dilim? Umaasal lang sa sakip at grasya. Hanggang ganito lang ba talaga?
Hi, I'm Magneta Aison.
And I'm Johnny Duca, and we are from
Atilians for Gordon. My
My
vote is for Gordon because he is a visionary and results-oriented leader. His strategy for change is built on 5 key pillars. First is the establishment of peace and security by upholding the authority of the Philippine government through effective local law enforcement, bringing an end to communist insurgencies and the Muslim rebellion, and dismantling all private parties. Second is to root out graft and corruption by installing full transparency and accountability, strengthening the independence of the Ombudsman, and overhauling all government agencies long noted for graft. Third, mobilizing government for national modernization through collection of proper taxes and establishing meritocracy as basis for advancement in public service. Fourth, managing the economy for growth and global competition by investing in modernization of national infrastructure, raising local and foreign investments, and raising productivity in agriculture, industries, and services. Lastly, he is for developing our human resources by modernizing the education system, the public health system, and providing health insurance for every citizen.
In relation to the issues of health and education, Gordon is revamping and extending the basic schooling to 12 years in order to make the youth more competitive. He also plans to raise the salaries of teachers to 40,000 and doctors to 50,000 in order to avoid losing these professionals to other countries. In fact, Gordon is the principal author of the Health and Education Acceleration Program of 2008, which he will use to achieve his goals.
Don't get us wrong. The Philippines will not end if Gordon doesn't win. But if this happens, we will lose out on a great opportunity for reliable change, for which Gordon is that proud, arrogant, ambitious, reliable, proven, and persistent leader promises. And we all know that when he says it, he will do it. He will be a visionary and results-oriented president.
My vote goes for Gordon. This action man with the pink-ass flag.
Malapit na ang eleksyon. May kandidato ka na ba?
Ako Intubagna.
Siya Iturugi.
Iyo ay prinsipya.
Ako in Panibatan.
Ako ang Siligan.
Ako ang simula.
Ako ang simula. Ako ang simula. Ako ang simula.
It's our election, our time, our choice, our religion.